Hello, lovely people. Welcome. Today I'm taking you through to my kitchen to show you how I make my favorite drink of all time. Now, this drink is my favorite because it checks out a lot of boxes. If you're new in this channel, I'm taking you through my journey conquering stage 4 breast cancer, and I'm just letting you in through all of the things that I do to maintain my health and to also create awareness for people. So click on the share button, subscribe, you know what to do. Now, moving on to it, I have here, I'm making my ginger lemon lime shot. Tongue breaker, no? Okay. Now, I used 1.5 kilograms of ginger and I used 16 lemons and 8 limes. All of these three ingredients that I'm using. They have several benefits, but I'm just going to focus on the one that I use it for specifically. Now, going through chemotherapy, you have a lot of side effects, some of which includes nausea and vomiting, and also your immunity is really taking a great hit because chemo and joking. So you really want to keep your immunity as high as possible. Every arsenal in your gallery helps, right? So this is me. This is what I'm doing. Ginger has several of the benefits, a lot of it anti-inflammatory. But I'm using this purposefully for anti-inflammatory, building immunity, and for the anti-emetic properties of it. So anti-emetic is when preventing nausea and vomiting. Right, and so also lemon. I like to mix my lemon and lime for two reasons. The first reason is they're both citrus, right? You can use either, but I like to mix mine because lemon have more vitamin C, whilst lime has more minerals. So this is me, it's just like using one stone to kill two birds is an adage. Right? So, and when I just peel and put it in this amazing machine. Like, this has been a lifesaver. It's so hands-free. It's one of the biggest blessing kitchen equipment that I have owned so far, and I've used it for 2 years, no complaint whatsoever. Right, so it just gives you clean juice and clean pulp. I use both everything. So from everything that comes out from these three ingredients, I use it. The juice, obviously, I'll show you what I do with it. The pulp, I sun dry it and I blend it and add it to my food. That is more fiber and more, like, I don't want any ingredient to go to waste. Even the lemon, the peels. Okay, I dry them and I just leave it lying around the house, and it gives amazing aroma. You can put it in a microwave, it gives an amazing aroma. I can use it as a cleaning agent. Like, I should be named recycling queen. Nothing goes to waste, right? Okay, so my drink is ready. If you notice, I don't use anything plastic. I avoid plastic. That's a topic I would deal with another day. My juice is ready. There's nothing, not additional, nothing, not even water that I've added in these three ingredients that I mentioned, right? And it gave me a substantial amount of fluid. Look at that. The tall bottle is like 750 mils. The small ones are 300 mils. Right, and like I store them in the fridge. If you want it to last longer, you can put it in ice cubes and put it in the freezer, and just take one block or two and put it in your tea. It's amazing. Like, I use this versatile what I do with this drink. But now that it's been so hot, I decided to be making my own margarita. It's missing mint leaf, but anyway, this is sufficient, okay? It's so refreshing. Putting my eyes in, pour a bit. You can have as much and as little as you want. You can even drink it as a shot. Like, if you're brave, just take a shot of this drink without mixing with anything, not even water, and it helps a lot. I love that the fact that my immunity is boosted. I do not joke with this because anytime I slack, it tells on my blood. And that is how I know that it actually works. My margarita is ready and I'm off to go and have a sip. Enjoy. Would you be trying this? Enjoy with me from the screen. I hope you could try it. Do not forget to like and subscribe and share. Bye.